Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Liz. Today I'll be making Cajun chicken and rice. So I've cleaned and limed 6 pieces of chicken. You can either use leg and thighs or breasts. So to season the chicken, you will need 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes, and I've squeezed about 1 teaspoon of lime juice and add 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Coat the chicken properly. Leave it to marinate for about 4 hours or overnight. Heat a pan with about 1/8 cup of oil and make sure the oil is heated properly. Add the chicken, skin side down. Allow it to sear on both sides for 3 minutes. When it's finished, add it to a plate and set aside. When you've finished searing all, add them to a baking dish and bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. In the same pan, add 1 large diced onion and cook until translucent. Cook for about 3 minutes. Wash 2 cups of rice and add them to the onion. Let it fry for about 7 minutes, constantly turning. While the rice is frying, add 1/4 cup of scallions. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika. Add 4 cups of chicken broth. Cover and allow it to boil. When it starts to boil, add 1 cup of frozen vegetables. Add half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 chicken Maggi cube, and half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You can taste or adjust for seasoning if you like. Then add the chicken thigh skin side up. Put the pan in the oven and cook uncovered until the liquid is absorbed. This is how it's supposed to be looking. Not too wet, neither too dry. Trust me, try it out, you will like it. The ingredients will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.